feel like I'm documenting. I'm nervous. I'm on my way to Jamaica. I feel led to do what I'm about to do. Paul Walker founded a charitable organization, Reach Out Worldwide, in the year 2010. Paul Walker, on his own money, his own dime, he would go to all of these places, hurricanes, earthquakes, tsunamis, any natural disaster. He would spend his own money, put medical equipment on the plane,
Hollywood just linked up with Jamaica for something real. Tyrese Gibson, yes, Roman from Fast Furious, is heading to Jamaica to bring aid after Hurricane Melissa. He's doing it in memory of his brother, Paul Walker. Paul founded Reach Out Worldwide back in 2010 to help people hit by disasters. And now Tyrese and Cody Walker are keeping that same spirit alive. Tyrese says this mission ain't about clout, it's about compassion. He even brought the same shoes he wore on the set of Furious 7, calling it a tribute to Paul's legacy. From the big screen to the real world, this is love in motion, Jamaica style.
All right, y'all, so listen, I got my t-shirt on. I feel like I'm documenting. I'm nervous. I'm on my way to Jamaica. I feel led to do what I'm about to do. Paul Walker founded a charitable organization, Reach Out Worldwide, in the year 2010. Paul Walker, on his own money, his own dime, he would go to all of these places, hurricanes, earthquakes, tsunamis, any natural disaster. He would spend his own money, put medical equipment on the plane. Anybody that's in the emergency services, doctors, physicians, nurses, anybody who was willing to go on this journey, he would go. And since we've been doing Game for Paul, everybody from the whole cast of Fast and the Furious, Game for Paul, we would play games online, streaming live, and people would be donating money online. And that's how we started fundraising for Paul Walker's charity, Reach Out Worldwide. Fast forward, whenever we do Fuel Fest events, for anybody who has ever attended around the world, you guys know that we do a tribute to Paul, and we tell everybody that we're not just doing Fuel Fest, but we're partying with a purpose. So all of the sponsors, all of the fans, just everybody who has ever shown up, every hat, every t-shirt, everything you've ever done, you have contributed to the moment that's about to happen right now. But there's something very significant that I'm going to share with y'all. Let me see the camera. These shoes right here that you're looking at, these shoes are in this special box, and I have not worn these shoes since I seen my brother in 2013. I'm bringing these shoes with me. I'm bringing these shoes with me to Jamaica. Show you, I got these things put in this special box. And I have not worn these shoes since being on the set of Fast. Furious 7. I have not put these shoes on since Furious 7. I'm gonna show y'all the picture in a second. I started wearing these shoes because of Paul. If You know what I know. When you from the hood, you normally wear the all-star chucks that go all the way half up your ankle. But I've not worn these shoes since I seen my brother on the set of Furious 7. On my way to Jamaica, baby. We doing this in the spirit of my brother. The Paul Walker Foundation in itself is ran by his daughter, Meadow Walker. Paul Walker Foundation is ran by the family, Meadow Walker. Reach out worldwide. Cody Walker picked up the ranks. He said, I got it. And I've been there and everybody's been there. But I'm on my way to Jamaica. And pull these out the box. Doing it for you, my brother. On our way to Jamaica. We'll see y'all in a minute. We love y'all. Stay strong. Stay encouraged. We're not going to be able to change everything, but this is going to be way better than just putting up prayer emojis, prayer hand emojis, and sending up prayers from the comforts of our homes. We on our way. It's been over 90 missions that Reach Out Worldwide has been on. And although I and we have been raising money since 2013, meaning all the fans and supporters and the whole Fast and the Furious cast, like everybody, if y'all look up Game for Paul with the number 4, we've all contributed in a real way. Even Vin Diesel has worn Game for Paul shirts, Reach Out Worldwide shirts. But I have never physically been on location to a natural disaster. This is gonna be the first. Zoom in on these. Breaking my brother with me.